Hey guys, I don't know if you can see it close enough, but right down at the bottom right there, right below where I'm using my drill, that's a lever. It looks like it's made of brass, but it's kind of bent to the right of the screen. It's like they ran into something or something. So what my whole object is to take it apart and try to bend it back. It looks like it's not. Well, I figured out later it was a part of that little piece right there that we were looking at, but most of it was that front plate. It was all bent out, so I'm gonna try to fix it as best I can. It's not gonna be straight, but we're gonna try to bend it back a little bit better than it is. And what I'm doing right now is I've taken the lever and also the other piece, like I said, they both look like brass. I'm removing I guess that's called a cotter pin. Don't quote me on that. I'm learning. Taking that off so I can bend that lever straight because it's bent. It's like they let the daggone thing run into something or something. I don't know, but I'm taking it apart to bend it back together. Okay, I should have recorded it, but I put it back on after I bent that lever back and installed the other part of it back together, and that's what would just making sure that it's tight in there and putting it back. I could have bent it some more, but with my luck, I'd probably cause more destruction, and then it's no good. Okay. I actually took all this out, all this off, and bent this back with some wood. As you can see, you know, it's still a little off, but you know, I should have. See, it still looks like it's offset. I should have loosened that screw. I didn't notice it till I'm almost freaking done. I should have loosened that screw to have it move it over there a little bit. But this was bent. This was bent all out of shape. But now you can adjust it. That's transport, which you don't want to do. It'll run you over. That's neutral, tines only, and then all the way down to the bottom. All the way down to the bottom is aerating. But well, it looks a whole lot better. Let me see if I can get this replaced. You know, they got like a sticker place. Let me see if I get that replaced, and that warning, the warning sign for the tines. And then we're gonna try to. I'm gonna paint it. I'm gonna spray it tonight, but it needs a real good painting. And as you can see, I ordered all these little bolts. All these little bolts with the inserts. Yeah. It originally over here. I got this at a golf course auction, and you can see this was welded. That was welded right there, and welded down there. Right, welded down there. So, I mean, it ain't gonna be perfect, but we're getting there. We're getting there. We're getting there. All right. I spent the latter part of the afternoon putting this sucker back together. I'm going to attempt to paint it. I'm not really good at painting, but I'm going to attempt to paint it. See if I can get my wife to do the white stripes, and maybe, you know, we're going to figure it out. But I'm going to order some tines and tine holders. I'm getting close to the right size. That piece is for a 24 holder, which I'm not doing. It doesn't cost me an arm and a leg. And for some reason, one of these tires got a slow leak, but it's freaking stupid. It's brand new inner tube. I don't get it. But I just put everything back on. I'm gonna get a different bolt holder for right down there. Right down there. And well, compared to when I originally got her, she was a hot mess. I'm being honest with you. She was a hot freaking mess. Looking good. I think let me get some hot, heat resistant black paint, and I'm just gonna paint that back black. I don't know why I did gray. It looks freaking stupid, and it's probably not heat resistant. That's why I turn it on, it goes cuckoo. You know what I mean? But again, because I got some new nuts, and those nuts, it pops. You see what I'm saying? It's popping right there. That one is off. I don't know why. Down there. But it's all good. It's all good. And I gotta get the 2 bolts to hold down there. And that should be it. And then a good paint job. And she's ready to work.